Hello friends. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about variables and data types in C language. This is a must-know topic for every beginner, and I will show it all with live examples. So let's get started. A variable in C is simply a name given to a memory location where data is stored. Think of it like a container that holds a value while your program runs. To use variable, you should know some rules of variable. Let's see the rules. It must begin with a letter, A to Z or A to Z, or an underscore. No special characters or spaces are allowed. Cannot be a keyword like int, return, or main. It's case sensitive, so age and age are different. Now let's see the data types. C language is strongly typed, meaning you must declare the data type of a variable before using it. Let's look at the basic data types. There are commonly used data types of C language. Int, float, char, double. Int for integer, float for decimal or point numbers, double for large decimal or point numbers, and char for single character. Let's see how these data types used in program. For int, we use %d in printf. For float, we use %f. For char, we use %c. And for double, we use %lf. Let's see the example of variable and data type for better understanding. Here the basic syntax of C program. Let's take variable A with data type int and value 18. Then take other variable B with data type float and value 92.5. Take the another variable C with data type char and value it in single quote. Then print all the variables using printf with their format symbols. Let's run. Hear the output. Now let's see how to take input from the user using scanf. Here's the basic syntax of C. First take variable age with data type int. Then print a message asking the user to enter their age. And take input using scanf that user entered. Then use printf to display the value entered by the user. Let's run it, and hear the output. That's it for today's video. We covered how to declare variables, different data types, and even how to take input using the scanf function. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For more beginner-friendly C tutorials, drop your questions in the comments. I'll reply to every single one. See you in the next video, and until then, keep coding and keep learning.